Kailangan nating maunawaan, mga kapatid, na lahat ng rejection may purpose at lahat ng rejection may blessing. Rejection is God's protection. Kapag tayo ay napagkaitan ng pagkakataon, kung tayo man ay napagsarhan ng pinto, always remind yourself, inalaw ng Diyos na isara ito kasi gusto kong ingatan ng ating Panginoon. God is wiser than us. His thoughts are better than our thoughts. Higher than our thoughts. His ways are better than our ways. We have to trust Him. Hindi lahat ng opportunity sa tingin natin ay blessing. And God knows it. Kaya minsan sinasara ng Panginoon ang pinto para ma-realize mo, hindi lahat ng opportunity ay blessing. Hindi lahat ng open doors ay blessing. Some open doors will lead to destruction. Pero hindi rin naman lahat ng closed door ay dead ends. Hindi porke sinara ng Diyos ang pintuan, ibig sabihin, wala ng pag-asa.